Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTBX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis several times this past week, so that is where these green line annotations are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates need to be made as the bears took another big bite out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that level. It still pertains, just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that makes and matters the most, it comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 55 cents, newest area of resistance, where if there is any sort of attempted bounce next week, that'll definitely be public enemy number one that the price can have to break up over. If, like I said, there's any chance at all of this being able to make a bigger movement to the upside. So watch 55 cents very closely. And then if the price can't break above there, you can turn your attention at that point. It makes more sense to focus on that 50-period moving average, which on my chart is denoted by the purple line there, currently valued at 62. But as of right now, that's kind of irrelevant because the price has first got to prove itself by being able to get up above 55 cents. Now, as far as supports are concerned, next key level to watch very closely, and I would consider this a very, very important level of support going forward, is this level down here at 42 cents. Reason being, let me squeeze this down, is if 42 cents cannot hold up. So if the price goes down there and breaks through there, now all of a sudden you're starting to put the price essentially right back to where it was before the massive breakout occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, by no means is that any sort of sign of power or strength or anything like that. So keep a close eye on that dynamic. It's looking like 42 cents very well could be in play here. But this one's had some crazy swings, so maybe it can get turned back around. So we'll see what happens with it next week, but definitely a very rough way to close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.